something that I need to add on is the issue of the source of water. It's very important, very vital, that there should be a source of water somewhere, at least nearby. Because in this case, when you're doing pepper growing or vegetable growing, the water is needed, of course, for irrigation if you're going to, for one who is in position to irrigate. Not only that, when you're spraying the garden, you find that time comes when you need to spray the plants, but so the pesticides or the fungicides and maybe fertilizers, let's say, you need the water source. It's very important. And yeah, there are those people who will do the watering maybe with cans and so on. It is very important. Please consider in your considerations when you're going to do farming, and you need to know that there is a source of water, please, because you cannot go kilometers looking for water. It's very important. Thank you.